24 shot clock yan.
Hey!
Foul number 14. 14. Ba't tumatawag na shot clock? Referee ba tayo? Clarify natin.
Good shot, boy. Whoever played, whoever played that drum is definitely gay.
Oh, it's Professor.
Oh, Professor. He's got 2 talents.
He's got
Hey!
This guy is scientific.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Raise the hat.
0, 0, 0, 0.
Number 0.
Am I right? I vote is 3, yeah? For the big man.
0,
0.
0. Yeah, 3.
Thank you very much. Tatlo na
3.
yun.
3.
Tatlo. Hey, nice one. Nice one. Piso. Bomba. Dunk.
Good.
47.
Back in the kitchen.
Kaya foul. Ay, dahil.
No. That's outside.
Rep. Question.
Kasi na ba?
Ano yun? Sino tumatawag ng shot clock? Kami na rin. Shot clock. 24. Oo.
Kung hindi naman,
10 sa ano, di ba? 10 sa...
Oo.
sa
or meron kayong time, wala.
wala eh. Kuha lang tayo na lang.
I'll to do time.
Alright.
24 shot clock ha. 24. Ano mo timer mo?
Stop. Wala.
24 seconds. 10 seconds sa backboard. Tapos announce mo na lang dito ha. Please. Hinihingi nila eh. Oo, kuha na namin yan.
Go, start.
Hindi, pag nag-ball possession naman yun. Yan. 14 pag dito eh. Start mo. 14 sa kanila pag ano. Ano na?
I know
14 dito.
No, do
Yeah, we'll do.
time.
8 seconds. 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Time out, Sasek. Ako na mag-timer. Ha? Hindi ko na po alam. Ano? Hindi, magagawa ang timer.
Ano video? Pwede naman sa
Ano yung problema?
Double daw sabi nila.
World Clock Stopwatch. Ilang ako? Tatlo na. Personal foul, tatlo na. Nasa yung dito. Wait.
Where's us?
Wait.
We're waiting for the time.
Where's us?
That toilet.
Oh,
Hey, just went. Ito, ayan.
Jesus, so embarrassing.
hurry up. I told you to go look, man. Hurry up, mate.
Oh yeah.
I told you to go
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Go, stop.
Okay.
Triangle.
15 seconds. Shot clock. 9.
Body. Hey!
Eight.
Oh no!
15 second shot clock.
Was that 2 or 3? 3. No, that was a 2.
10 second shot clock.
49 and now it's
Wala pa. You're up. 4 personal fouls. 4 personal fouls. Benedict.
Two team fouls, 4 personal foul. Benedict.
Ay, stop. Sorry, inaano ko yung shot clock. Ang hirap ang shot clock. Yung 24 eh. Oo, pag pinasa ka, 24 eh. Kaya 14 dyan. Pag half court, 14. Teka muna. Ano nangyari? May tumakbo na bata. San? Oh. Hey! Sub!
Sub.
14 daw, 14.
So a team foul. So a team foul, yeah? Yeah, on white. Professor, give that rest, man.
54, ha? 15-second shot clock. 13. 10. The foul in. Who's foul rep? Huh? With the Alex? Alex? 18, okay.
18. Oh, sorry.
It is Alex.
Ano, Jason? 18 is Jason.
Oh.
Jason. Not Alex. Jason, 3 personal foul. Ubus sila. Fifteen to shoot. Time out! Eastbourne.
You are free.
Lecture up. Nilalaban na.
13, yeah. 13, yeah.
Dalawa.
Is that team foul? Is that
Is that personal?
ref?
Is that offensive foul?
Is that offensive? So is that double on personal?
Yeah.
Or no, a team?
Consider as personal foul.
Team foul, yeah. Okay, so therefore.
Yeah, therefore. Pero pagka penalty, pag offensive, wala may penalty.
Okay, well,
Half court, 14 second shot clock. Pag sa backcourt, 24. 10 seconds here, ha? O 8. Sa pag dinawid nila yung bola. O yung nabibilang nun.
Kami na
Okay. Ang hirap ng shot clock. And 12 shot clock. Ang hirap ng shot clock. Nakatingin ko pa dito. 54, 56.
Hindi nasa bench.
Ang alin?
Hindi nasa bench.
Sino? Huwag mo lang bigyan ng malakas na baksak kasi nasabay mo lang. Unfair.
Close game.
I wanna play, bro. This is so hard.
Vincent, Anspo.
Parang sa po silang 4.
Oh, 4 na.
2 free throws.
Last ball to set. Anspo ba? Anspo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unsportsmanlike.
4 team fouls. Sussex. Ha? Isa pala si Vincent.
Si Vincent po ay nag-sportsmanlike.
Oh.
So, 3 fouls.
Ha?
No!
Yung palang sila one person, yung palang Paul niya. Kanina dapat yung offensive.
I thought sportsmanlike counts as 2.
Oh, let's clarify that.
It's a technical.
Guys are technical. that was actually
Sa kanila. Dito. Sussex ball. Okay, turn na. Ayan na. Okay. Shot clock. Oh, pindutin. Tumawag ba foul?
That way! No. Outside.
54, 57. Oh, you get 57 here? Okay. Okay. Oh. 40 to shoot.
That is such a dumb shot.
14. Na-reset na, di ba?
Oh, reset. Kasi kick.
Reset 14.
Okay. Gansa boys ah.
Wait, this.
14, half court. Eh.
Puesto!
4 shot 2 shot na by times wala na shot na Dali. Taas mo na yung kamay. What number? 3. King! Sino yung pumal sa inyo?
Leave it around.
Sino yung pumal sa kanila? Ulit? Sa Sussex?
11, I think.
Alright, penalty. Same ball.
Foul?
Look. It's fine.
Foul.
Penalty. Alright, penalty.
Shout out. What? Penalty raw, penalty.
It's five.
Both team penalty.
Sino? Si Michael. Ay, go. Hindi, okay na to. Last shot tayo.
Sino nga nag-foul nung huli? Saan nila? Nilagay ko, that's their penalty already eh.
12 boss.
Ha?
Last 12.
12.
Malingit.
Seconds na lang pala. Foul daw.
Number what? Number who? Who's foul?
Ha?
Who's foul?
Number... Who's foul sa 19.
Vontae's best mate's coming.
Victor! Jigs ba yun? Jigs yung naka-orange shoes?
Oh, Jake.
So they got 55. What's Benedict, 4 si King, 3 si Jason, 2 si Jamal. Tapos both penalty na, both teams. Ay, tapos na pala. Hindi, 55. 55 sila.
Diyan, oh. Ano kasi naka-ano yan? Naka dito yan, oh.
Nilalagay ko lahat.
Kaya nga, klaro lang na. Tama ba yung score, brother?
Oh, tama.
Yung
Kino-confirm ko.
16 nakakashoot ng buzzer beater.
Nakashoot, yes.
Ito.
Okay, thank you
Confirm
very
yan.
much. Thank you. Ganun lang.
Okay lang,
Yung
okay lang.
team fouls nyo, may personal foul. Let's announce personal foul para ano.
Tama, pre. Tama.
Oo, Brad.
Okay. King 4 personal foul, Benedict 4, Jason 3, Jamal 2. Eastbourne, Manaloto 2, Ambes 2, Balingit 2, Wetua 2. Let's count all the score. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes, please.
4, hindi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32. Oh, kasi meron pa akong shot clock na inahawakan eh.
Tama, Brad. It's all correct. Good job, yeah, good job.
Inaano ko lang yung score.
Okay, boys, get one na. Tayo mo lang.
6, 14, 15, 21, 25.
Pagka ready ka na, sabihan mo para...
$55 talaga eh.
Oh, let's go. Tama na yan.
Yeah. 55 talaga, kinount ko. Dire-count ko.
Yung table.
No, be careful lang kasi close game. Kailangan tama lahat tayo. May magtatali yung foul sa King Gagrate.
Back to zero yung team
Oo nga. Eh, tandali pala may tanong. Yung unsportsman's foul, sa'yo ang dalawa consider? Isa lang. Grabe nga nila. Dalawa daw sabi nila. Yung unsport, di ba?
Isa lang. Isang personal at isang team foul.
Ah, malakas siya ang pass. Tinulak pa.
Nasa ere.
Apat,
Discard mo na, discard mo na.
Ito, dali, wait. Wait.
Where are you going?
Where you going, man?
I'm trying to know what time's
You know, business busy, man.
Okay?
I'm trying to know when work is. No, it's time.
Correct score, 60-55 in favor of...
Wait, add time to it.
He doesn't have to add time. Oh, bro, I can't shoot, bro.
Set natin. Basta
Who's the game after this?
60-55.
He's staying.
Yeah, 60-55 is the
this.
correct score.
He's staying.
After this?
Yeah.
Oh, I have to go to my girl, bro. I do.
Ilan dito?
I think it's if it's them 60
60 is born, 55
for
West Sussex. Yeah, so they're leading. Yeah, they're leading. Okay?
Usap!
Oh, 14 yeah. Well.
Hindi, na ano ba? Hindi ko alam eh.
Kasi dito po yung balls
Okay.
So, dito.
3 to shoot! 2, 1! Buzzer! Hirap ng shot lang. Balik sa 24 sa kanila. Jets.
Jet 1. First.
Why is it blue?
Ah, that's not bad. Active shooting.
Bal! Isa lang! Take your time, brother.
Wala ba tayong buzzer para sa ano? Sa shot clock pag ano?
Nice one. Tag.
Ano nangyari?
Technical. Okay.
Is that too personal?
No.
None.
Just only technical, yeah?
Pag yung sisigawan, bawal yan. Bawal na sa sigawan. Ang shoot eh, bawal.
Nice one.
One possession. Buzzer there pag mag-shot ba?
Ganda lang po.
Okay. Gaganin mo ah. Sinabi ko yung zero. Sino foul?
Number 9.
Ilan na sila? Team foul nila.
1.
Ten seconds to shoot. 9.